These are my 3 favorite things about the Echo Show 5. Number 1, it comes with Amazon's voice assistant, Prime Video, and other video services like Netflix. Has the ability to play Amazon's music service as well as Spotify and many others. It can read Audible books. It has a web browser on it, a camera, volume control, and more. You would be hard-pressed to find anything that can do that much, especially for this price tag. Number 2, most people are going to want a bedside alarm clock, and this is the epitome of the perfect one because it dims or even turns off the screen in the evenings based on your settings. And then it gives you all kinds of options for alarms that wake you up with things like slowly raising lighting brightness and with the exact music or song that you'd like coming on at exactly the volume you'd like. Number 3, the app that you use to manage this can connect to well over 140,000 different smart products to it. That means just about anything you buy will be able to control either by voice or by using the on-screen display. And with features like whisper mode, you can even ask for that control to happen quietly, and you'll get the responses back quietly. It's a very comprehensive device. There's a lot more to it that you're going to love.